What you doing, little bit? Hey. Hey there.
He's not doing much.
No, he's just chilling.
Whoops, we lost Elmer, or whatever it is.
Mortimer.
Mortimer?
Yeah.
Okay.
Mortimer the News.
He's chewing on that fist.
I know it. Chews on everything. I think he's getting teeth. He said yeah.
He agrees. He does. Yeah, he knows.
No big deal.
He's just hanging out. Just chilling.
We got an email from Christine, the person in Alabama.
Oh, yeah? Hey, Barlin, what you doing? What you doing?
I'm just chilling.
Who's got you? Who's got you?
He doesn't know.
Sure he does.
She said being Christian, she's going to go with her husband's wishes. She didn't like it. You know, I sent one back to her telling her that it'd be good for her to get happy. You know, that's what she was thinking. That would work out really well for her.
What are you looking at?
Fan, maybe? Handsome like daddy. That color looks good on him. What are you doing? What are you doing?
Down.
Yeah, he is sliding.
He is relaxed. He is truly chilling.